He is now considered competent to stand trial. And when he faced a Howard County Circuit Court judge here today, both sides signaled Jeffrey Burnham may also be not criminally responsible.
We're moving forward with the case is the best way to say it.
In Howard County Circuit Court, the double murder case against 48-year-old Jeffrey Burnham is heading toward a guilty verdict and 0 prison time. There's a plea deal on the table, and today Burnham told a judge he plans to take it. Plead guilty to 2 counts of first-degree murder for shooting and killing his brother and sister-in-law, Brian and Kelly Robinette, at their home in Ellicott City in 2021, and serve time in the state psychiatric hospital instead of state prison. It's a sentence of not criminally responsible, or NCR, and it's Maryland's version of the insanity defense. Here's Burnham's defense attorney, Joshua Speart.
It's an entry of a plea that says that because of his mental illness, he was either at the time of the offense unable to comprehend the criminality of the offense or unable to comport his behavior to the law as we require it.
According to court charging documents, Burnham gunned down his relatives because he believed his pharmacist brother was poisoning people with COVID-19 vaccines.
Mr. Burnham struggles with mental health issues and mental health concerns, and getting him the treatment is the best way to benefit him and society as a whole.
In court today, Howard County State's Attorney Rich Gibson said, "I feel very comfortable in the merits of the agreement." He said the state's offer is based on determinations from 2 different doctors. And he said, no matter what happens, all roads lead to the same place. It is unlikely he'll be released. This is an indeterminate sentence. It could be never. It could be 20 to 30 years. The next steps in this case, there is a hearing scheduled for March 28th here in Circuit Court in Howard County. The judge was told there will be victim impact statements. And if the defendant changes his mind between now and then and decides to reject the plea deal, the judge reminded everyone the trial is still on the calendar, scheduled to start in mid-April. In Ellicott City, I'm Kate Amara, WBAL TV 11 News.